schools.
Kama chilo nyakor mgajuang Jopuonjre auchiel mag skunda ng'et Moi e kaunti Baringo oyudo hinyruok e masira mar apaya mano oyudo gi kawuono. Jopuonjre go mane dok dala bang' tend skul no riembogi ni pok gitieko chulo omenda mar somo kata school fees no oyudo masira no e ndara mawuok ng'et Moi ka ochomo Kapsanet. Nyamburko mane giidho ilieko ni no bedo kod ng'ikruok e ka ogore piny ma onyo jowuoth kamano oting'o jopuonjre go.
They were on their way from school going for fees, so 6 of them were affected and 4 of them have been discharged. We've been at the referral here. 2 of them have been admitted, and one teacher was also with them. He was on his way to Kabarnet. He also got injured. The vehicle they had taken was a matatu, and they were just climbing up the hill. Then it lost control and fell back.
We had 14 victims we received today, of which indeed we had 6 schoolgirls. Then we also had a 9-year-old child who had a compound fracture of the humerus. The humerus is this part of the upper limb. The students, the 6, out of the 6, 4 of them were stitched, dressed, stabilized, and are under observation. But 2 of them, we admitted them because one, we saw evidence of pelvic fracture, and one had incoherence speech. So we want to investigate and observe further.